Hello, welcome once again to the IT Academy. In today's video, we're going to look at how to filter data in Microsoft Excel. Let's see how it works. Now we have this file here. This is an employee list. Supposing you have name, employee number, days employed, outstanding advance, department, city, manager. Supposing you want to make some changes on this list. You want to edit some information here. And what you have to do only affects people in the administration department. So you don't want to see all the other ones. So you can use filter to temporarily hide everything else except what you want to see. So how do we do that? First of all, you have to go to the data tab. So when you click on the data tab, you move further to the filter tool. This is the filter tool. Once you click on it, you have some drop down buttons appear right at the top of each column. So this is where we filter. These are the filter buttons. So let's go to departments. So when I click on the button, it shows me all the departments on this list. I click here. None is selected. So I select administration. When I select administration, I click OK. You see that only people from the administration department are displayed on this list. So I can go ahead and make my changes, whatever changes that I want to make. Okay. All right. So when I finish, I simply click clear and all the other information will reappear. But the buttons are still here. That is assuming I want to do some more filtering. So I can also go to city. I want Excel to display only those who are living in, say, London. So I click on the city button and I click here to deselect everything and I select the city that I want. I click London and OK. You see, only those who are living in London will have their records appear, so that there's not too much clutter on my screen. I only see what I want to see. Again, when I finish, I click clear. It's still there. When I've finally finished with the filter work that I'm doing, what happens? I can click the filter button once again and the buttons disappear. So I've finished. So what we did was filter individual columns with one criteria. The criteria for the first one being that the person has to belong to administration department. So we're going to use the filter tool, this time with multiple criteria. So I click on the button, filter button, and the buttons appear one more time. So at this moment, I want to display, I go to department. I want to display only those in the administration department. And here they are. Then I can add even one more criteria. I want only those who are in the administration department and are living in London. I click city and I select London. Okay. That is it. See, only those living in London are displayed. And furthermore, I want those who are in the administration department, who live in London, and who are having Melissa James as their manager. So I can go to manager and also select Melissa James. So you see, I've applied multiple criteria to the filtering. You have to make about 3 different conditions before you appear on this list. So that is that. What we've been filtering so far has been text. We can also filter numbers in a certain way. So let me clear and bring all the data back. You see this column here? This is outstanding advance. This is numbers. So let's see what we can do about filtering it. So I click on the button for that column. And then there is number filter. You see this button here? Number filter. I click on it and I go down here. Now I want to display, there are so many criteria down here. I want to display only those that are greater than 300, let's say. So I click greater than, and then I type 300. I click OK. You see, only those with above 300 and above, or above 300, will be displayed. What I showed you is not the only one. There are others. You can have display the top 10. You can display equal to a certain number, display only those that are worth 100, display greater than or equal to, so you can try all these and see the results that you can get. Okay, now we can also filter dates. For the dates, I'm going to use a different spreadsheet. This is talking about shipment. This is a data about shipment of goods. So you have order date, ship date, ship mode. So this is the date it was ordered. This is the date it was shipped, and the date or the mode of shipping. Is it first class, standard class, or second class? So for once, I could just go to the filter and then go to ship date. I click on it and I want to display only those items that were shipped in the year 2020. Okay, you can see that. You see, you really get to appreciate the filter tool when you have a large database. You can see only 2020 is displayed. Let me clear that and go back there again. I want only those that were shipped in 2020, January of 2020. You see, we can break it down to a different level. Let's look at something else here. This is shipping mode. Was this shipped through first class transportation, second class, or standard class? I'm going to apply multiple criteria here. I want all those items that were shipped in 2020. Okay, it shows them. And then shipping mode, all those that were shipped using first class. So what it's showing me right now is all the items that were shipped in 2020 using the first class shipment. So that is that. So this has been a short video about how to use the Excel filter tool. I hope it was helpful to you, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye for now.